All right, hey, welcome to this video. So in this one, I really quick just want to show you how you can add and update any of the affiliate products inside of your store. So what you're going to do is you are going to go to the site editor, and on the left-hand side, if you go to the pages and menu, you will go ahead and select the shop page. Okay, you go ahead and select the shop page. And then when you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a section that has a sample repeater section. This is really cool because unlike products that are listed inside of your store, which mean they're natively hosted on your site, they're products that you are personally going to be selling and shipping. When you have a page like this, a shop page of products that you are just an affiliate for, you can list all of those different companies right here. So what you'll do is you will just simply go to the repeater section, and you'll notice that when you click on that section, it's going to highlight it and bring it up. And if you click on the manage items, this is where if you want to add another row or you want to add more products, you can really simply and easily do that by going and hovering over the three dots. And then you can simply click on duplicate, and it will make sure that it keeps all of the same format in there. When you're working with repeaters, anything that you adjust or edit on one, except for like the description, but basically if I move the button around on one, it's going to move it around on all. It's kind of a nice feature with the repeaters, so it makes them look really nice and even. Now, if I want to delete an item, the thing I'll do again is manage items, and I can go and delete that item that I just created. So I'll delete it and it will automatically do that. If I want to stretch the items across the entire page, I will select the entire thing, and if I click that side to side arrow, that will stretch it out if I wanted to. And in order to add or edit the products, I will just simply click until I have that specific image. You can click on change image, put the product name here and the description, maybe talk a little bit about why you like that particular product, what your favorite thing is. And then when you click this button right here, this is where you will link. You'll go ahead and click on the link button and it'll say web address, and you'll then put this to whatever product that is or affiliate page or whatever you've got from that company that allows your site visitors to purchase, and you'll get the credit for that. That's what you'll do. Now, the last thing, if you really want to like boost your SEO and get listed, once you have the image selected, go in here to the settings and you will be able to add the name of what this image is. So you can tell Google what it is. So if you are an affiliate for Best Doggy Bones LLC, you can go ahead and put that name in there. So that way Google can start to kind of like get its feelers out there. And maybe if someone is searching for them, they will inadvertently also land on your site. So that is the last thing here on how to add and update affiliate products. If you have any more specific questions or there's something that you run into that wasn't covered in this video, please feel free to reach back out. I would be happy to do an additional tutorial. And you can also find the extra tutorials listed underneath of the affiliate section inside of the course. So thanks so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.